don't know what this music's going to be like, but I'm sure it'll be alright. I'm sure it'll be alright. Right, let's do this. Okay, so I'm going to get most of this makeup off with, look at my eyebrows though, they've stayed on all day, and I did them this morning like quite early, and I've literally just used this, and I've done my foundation and everything since then. Like they look pretty good, don't they? Right, so one of these wipes, one wipe is going to get off all of this makeup. Oh gosh, I've got two in my hand. Gosh, I've got two in my hand. So, who's watching me? Who's watching? Come and say hello. Come and say hello. Can you hear me? Oh my gosh, I don't even know. Oh, here we go. Nikki, hello. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Don't even know if you can hear me. Right, so I'm just going to take this off. This has got fruit oils in it and all. Hey Jenny. Fruit oil. Jojoba. Is it jojoba? Jojoba. It's not Jehovah, is it? Jojoba. I don't think you can hear me, can you? Hello? Can you hear me? Can someone let me know if you can hear me? Hello? Yes, you can hear me. Ah, look at this. I'm always amazed. I'm always amazed at the amount of makeup it takes off your face, but it still feels so clean. And it just never ends. There's no ending to it. Who's watching me? I know it's pretty late, isn't it? So I'm probably just going to be talking to myself. But if you're watching me live, pop me a number 1 in the comments. If you're watching me on the replay, pop me a number 2. Because even if you're on the replay, it doesn't mean that I won't get your comments. Because I will. And I'm hoping that some people will watch this on the replay. So I can see like I've really used this one down to nothing, but I'm gonna jump on in a minute with the cleanser and I'm gonna cleanse my face. I'm gonna give it a really good clean, and then gonna use the toner. So I'm gonna tone it. Hello?
No,
I'm just live on Facebook at the minute.
Do you know, I'll have some cheese in.
Oh yeah, I thought it was Harry. Sorry.
I had a bit of that jam with lovely. I'll show you. I had a bit of that jam with lovely.
Oh, did
Yeah,
you?
yeah, thank you.
Fucking hell. I thought it was minging. That's why I left it out there. Make sure you don't have a bad belly. Hey Susan. So if you're here and you're watching me, put me a number 1 in the comments. And if you're watching me on the replay and I'm not live up there in the corner, put me at number 2. It's really quiet over here, isn't it? But like usually I go live on my profile, but today I've come on here. So I've come on here for a little bit. Because I really want to move it over to here so that my profile is like a bit more like my profile. So yeah, I'm going to tone. I'm then going to put some mask on. And then I'm going to put some beauty oil under my eyes because that's really helping me lately with my skin. I don't know if you've seen earlier, I will put it up because I'm not sure if I put it up here or if I put it up on my profile, but I showed a skincare photo of when I started Unique in September of last year, and now like a few days ago, and it's like pretty it's pretty shocking to say the least. Right, so all these products apart from the cleanser. Okay, but you do get £40 Cash. So like you could buy the cleanser if you wanted to, or you could buy a mask, you could buy foundation, yeah, you could buy whatever you wanted really. So we've cleansed. I'm now just going to go into cleanse with my cleanser. Alright, so our skincare range, we do a cleanser, we do a serum, and we do a day cream and a night cream. So you can get it in, you can buy them singularly, you can get them as a 4-pack, you can get them as a 3-pack. Yeah, you can buy them seeing any of them. So the beauty oil is completely separate to the skincare routine. And it's all tailored to you. So there's something like over 145,000 skin types. I haven't got one of those brushy things. So it's just a good old sponge with me, guys. You see that? Foaming up. Hey Andrea. I haven't seen you on here for ages. Like, I don't think I've ever seen you on here actually. But I don't come on this late. So I'll get like a whole different new bunch of people when I'm on here this late. Oh, thank you. Well, I'm just showing now, like, the skincare that I use. Like, I was talking about that picture that I put up this morning. Was it this morning I put it up? I can't remember if I put it up on this, on here, or if I put it up, on my profile. But the picture that I put up of my skin when I started Unique. Sorry, I'm blowing bubbles through my nose, I can feel it. When I started Unique, and my skin when, like, a few days ago, it was fucking amazing. Oh yeah, I'm on late tonight though. Like, I never ever come on this late. Usually by now I'd think, oh, it's way too late for me to go on. But it looks like there's loads more people on at this time of night. Although earlier I had 120 people watching me. 120 people watching me, little old me. My post reached like 8,000 people. My one post reached 8,000 people. So sharing is how it happens. So if all of you beautiful 5 of you share me out. Oh yeah, baby. Feels so goddamn good. Okay, so I've cleansed with the cleansing wipes. It's good, isn't it? So I've used the cleansing wipes, alright, to get all of that makeup off, and those eyebrows like it's caked in. My hair's so soft. I've not like put anything in it or like put any heat on it or anything, and it feels so good, but it's so bushy. Yeah, so all of this stuff you can get in the beauty box, alright? So you can get it in the kit, the presenter's kit, alright? And this is pretty much this. Well, no, it's not pretty much. This is what I use. So I use the wipes, alright, to get off any of that makeup. I use the cleanser, okay, because that gets right in, deep down, and it really will get it all off, because I do wear a lot of makeup. Okay, then I'm going to go in with the rose water. This is the lavender one. We do normal rose water, which I've got here somewhere. Yeah, normal one here. I like the normal one. I really, really like it. I always was a night owl. Yeah. Okay, so I'm having a cheeky cigarette while I spotted it, but okay, so we do a grapefruit one, we do a lavender one, we do a cucumber one, and we do just the normal rose water. The cucumber one is really nice for in the summer, and keeping it in the fridge is really, really nice. The lavender one, actually, I made a pillow spray with. So it's really, really good. You can tell my skin is so dry because it just like sucks that rose water right into it. It looks red, my skin does, doesn't it? But Let me put this one on instead. Okay, it's better. My skin looks, yeah, really red, doesn't it? But it's not. Okay, so that's the cleanser and the toner. Okay. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put a bit of beauty oil under my eyes. Because that really is the only place that I really use it. And any excess I have, I just push it up onto my, like, I've got like dips and stuff up here. So it's just really my black eyes and my dips. Now tonight, I'm not going to put a moisturiser on because I'm going to use my, oh, thank you, Simon. Thank you, because it really, really helps me a lot. People sharing, so that I really, really appreciate it. Yeah, what I'm going to do tonight is our hydrating mask. You can actually use that, and you can use that to sleep in overnight. So you can use it as like quite a thick hydration mask, and it really, really does give your skin a really good burst of moisture. Or you can, I put it on as a thin layer, and you can leave it on overnight. So that's what I do a lot. I wake up in the morning and it looks quite greasy, but like it really, like I do a variation. So I want to get the black one as well, but that is yet to, you know, there's lots of other things that I've had to buy before that. So, but I've got the oil control mask, which is absolutely brilliant because I didn't realise my skin was so greasy as it actually is, until I actually used a tester, and then like it made my skin like so good. So yeah, and yeah, I've got the hydration mask as well, which smells like a dream. It smells like coconuts. Can you see it's blue? Oh, that's really bright, isn't it? There, can you see that? It's like a really bright blue. Gosh. It's a light blue. Anyway. So we're just going to put a little bit of that, literally a little bit, into our hands and just put that on my face. Over my nose. God, it's raining outside. Is it raining where you guys are? Is it? Are you raining where you guys are? Because it's raining here in Penzance. Okay, so that. Any leftovers on it? I'm just putting it down my neck. It's also really good as well for like your elbows, because I get really like hard elbows. Hey Laura, you alright? I get really hard elbows, so it's really good for that, and like it's good for your feet, good for your hands and stuff like that. Laura's tried it, so Laura can tell you what it's like. It's really, really good. Yeah, and you can just leave that on all night. Okay, and what I'm going to use next is the thing that I absolutely how was it? Well, it's been raining most of the evening here, but not, Oh, do you know what? I really just had something come over me. Like, I really fancied a yoghurt then. It just, like, rushed over me then. Like, I really fancied a yoghurt. I've got a cherry one, I think, in there, so I'm going to eat that. Right. Yeah, just rushed over me then. Rushed over me. I'm going to see Summer tomorrow. I'm really looking forward to seeing Summer. Right. So, we got the lash serum, right? This is, like, I swear by this product. It is the bomb. Oh, thanks, Andrea. Like, all of you guys will be put into the drawer as well. So I'm going to start it again from this live, because, like, on the last live I had, like, 79 shares. So, I think it's 79 or something. So I'll start it again from here, and I'll say, like, when we get to, like, should we say, like, 25 shares, yeah? Oh, God, do you know what? When I was reading that then, Laura, I thought it was Andrea that commented. I thought it was Andrea that commented, and I was thinking, what do you mean you put yours on about an hour ago? Silly me. I don't know why I hide my cigarette, especially at this time of night. Right, so I'm going to show you how to apply it, alright? Because there's a special way of applying this, so this is how you apply it. And it's just like that. So you just push it down. There. And you can put it in your eyebrows. I like that when they push the eyebrows up, do you? Alright, Matthew. And that's it. Voila. 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 Yeah, that's it, guys. I just thought I'd take my makeup off with you. I want to just come live at, like, different times of the day, because I want to, like, move all of my makeup stuff over to, like, this page. Hey, Carl. How are you? Yeah, I want to move all of my makeup stuff over to this page. So I want to come on at different times of the day so that different people see me, so that then you can, like, I think if you click on my nose or at the bottom of the screen here, there should be a thing where it says you'll get all my notifications, so when I come live on this page you'll get notified. I don't know, is it down there, guys? I don't know if it's down there or not, but I think it is down there somewhere, or if you click on my page it'll be on there. But that's it. I'm off skis, and I'm going to be coming live quite early tomorrow, but I'll be on this page, alright, when I come live. Hey, Carl. How are you doing? You're looking well. tune. Yeah, press the bell. Well done, Carl. Should be proud of yourself. Right, I'm gonna go, guys. It's time for me to go to bed, I think. Right. Good night, everybody. And I'll see you tomorrow. I'll be live early tomorrow. But I will let you know before. Right. Good night, everybody. And sleep tight. Good night.